Yes, hello everyone, welcome back. Let's talk more about Eesti Laul. Yes, I'm one of those people who actually will continue on watching Eurovision. I've been watching the contest since I was 12. No, since I was 11. I began watching Melfest when I was 9, and I think I started Eurovision when I was 11. I will still watch the show. I will. Let's talk a little bit about Eesti Laul, Uliana, Rhythm of Nature. And before we talk about this song, I want to add a little bit rant here. I don't know. I just posted a video about news coverage from Spain when they revealed they were not going to participate in Eurovision. And I'm gonna say that news real coverage is so unfair to Yuval Rafael, who is singing Israel's latest song, because it makes me feel like they are like blaming everything that's going on Gaza on her, because she's standing there singing her song as an October 7th survivor, and then they're gonna show the footage. I mean, it was a lot. And then I've seen people crying on Eurovision this day because people are boycotting, people are gonna boycott. I was like, you know how much you have to do because you're gonna boycott everything? You cannot. Let's break it down. You cannot watch Eurovision finals. You cannot watch the Eurovision semis. You cannot watch any of the Eurovision national selection. Not one. You cannot listen to the artist's song. You cannot support them. You cannot buy merch. You have to unfollow everyone's social media. That is a lot of dedication for a boycott. I just want to say, a boycott doesn't mean you're gonna just not watch the show. You cannot listen to the songs. You cannot support artists. You cannot do anything. So think before you're gonna do a boycott, but be my guest. But anyway, let's talk Eesti Laul. Sorry for that intro, but sometimes I have opinions. Anyway, let's see Uliana. Oh, nature. She feels like she's the cousin of Latvia's entry from last year.
Серед стежок крокувала тихо, щоб не чуло лугове лихо. Покохалися удвох весною, загубив ти спокій свій зі мною. Я сама без тебе жить не можу, то на луг, то в ліс гулять виходжу.
Oh. I can say if she nails the live performance with this song, she might win this, because that is the feeling. Sorry, I need to scratch my back. But anyway, that is the feeling I get from her. If she nails the live performance, she wins this. This is good. This is traditional music but updated. And you know what actually is very exciting with this one is the fact that I see the full staging for her with the dancing, with the choreography already. I have a full visuals. Ooh, poor Ollie. Ooh, If she nails the live performance, she might win this. I mean, I'm gonna say something. Some people might say about why do you like traditional music, yada yada, you know. But the thing is that this is a mix of Latvia's entry from last time and what Armenia sent in 2024. This is a mix of that with the Estonian version of that, and I think this works. This works and is joyful. It is entertaining, and I'm gonna say with with the music video, I see the full staging, I see the choreography, I see visuals, I see colors, I see outfits. I'm gonna say if she nailed the live performance, she wins this. Yes, if you don't want to miss out any of my latest videos about the up-and-coming Eurovision 2026 season, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the comment section. Bye.